whole crew up here.
What do you think, Bill? I'm making progress?
I mean, it's still got way too much going for it.
Okay.
I'm just trying to think where I should cut next, so that I don't want to get the blade stuck.
I think straight across in from the back.
First, I was going to say,
Yeah.
yeah, that's right. That's what you're supposed to do.
Just gonna cut just straight across like this?
Yeah.
Everybody get out of the way. Oh, I wanted some good action here that stops halfway down.
Yeah, maybe. Well, we succeeded in getting it this far.
Now it's a real danger.
Step one.
Yeah. The tree is tipped.
I think I can cut this off.
Yeah, you cut it off, it'll slide out. Watch yourself.
It may just be sitting there, I'm not sure. It's your will.
You may have to cut it off and oh! Just kind of. Yeah, it will come out, slide out, and smack you one in the gut. You're not careful.
Actually, it'll slide off the stump, hit the ground, then the tree will fall back this way and hit Greg's hand.
Oh, I just remembered. Riverside.
Doing open heart surgery, but they just want the technology. They want the technology.
She's there when the operation goes extreme.
Big deal.
Now they can pick it up, drag it this way, and it'll fall.
Yeah, we just put the rope. Wrap it around about 3 times.
Jeez, I swear, this is like
We
Butt
need-
City in here.
Needed some entertainment here. Watch the saw behind you.
Thank you, thank you.
This was quite entertaining.
That way?
Oh, it gets him in the gut. Now you're supposed to fall down and laugh, and we'll send it in for $100,000. And there it is.
Let there be free. Why don't you wait till the tree's going? lock the door.
All the stories.
It's a little roadblock.
He and Uncle Larry. Dog barking at the wood. Nobody ever wanted to hear Andy and Jeff.
The spectators.